Hi, this is Martha Waterhouse, EL Specialist Teacher from Lucille Nixon School. So nice to see you today. Today we are going to be doing a lesson that has to do with text structure, and it's called Compare and Contrast. Compare and contrast, you may have seen these words before. Let me explain the difference. Compare means similar or close to the same. Contrast means different. So if we look here, an orange and an apple, they're very similar, and I'm going to compare them right now. They both are round. You can see round on each side. They both are fruit, and they both have juice. Now there's many things more that they may have, but that's just a few that I gave today. Now on the other side here, we have contrast, which means different. A car and a dog. I'm pretty sure you could assume those are pretty different. A car has wheels, a dog has legs, a car has a motor, and a dog has a heart. Dog has a brain, and a car is made of metal. And I also listed down eyes and fur for a dog. Now they do have some similarities, which would be comparing the two. I could say that they both move. So I could include that as well, but I would have to change my list. So let's see a new list here. And this is comparing recess to lunchtime. You'll notice on either side it says contrast, meaning different, is going to go in this circle. And then you'll notice on the other side it says contrast, which means different, which will be the lunch side. Now you might be wondering about the middle here. The middle is where we compare, and they are the same. How are they similar or the same? So first, if I were to say most recess times, we have about 20 minutes for recess time. So I'm going to put down here 20 minutes. And remember, this is contrasting, 20 minutes. That's different than lunchtime. So at lunchtime, we might have something around 45 minutes or so. And then at recess time, we often eat a snack. That's different about recess time. And at lunchtime, we usually eat our lunch. Well, I hope you eat your lunch. Now, comparing what things are similar to either one, we could say that at both times, we like to play. In just a moment here. At both times, we like to play. Can you think of some that you do both for? Well, a lot of kids do monkey bars at both recess and lunchtime. A lot of kids do basketball or soccer, football, many different things that they might do during recess and lunchtime. Can you think of something else you might add to the compare or same section? What about for lunch, the contrast or different section? Can you think of something to add? And what about recess? Is there something different that you can add to contrast? Now we can even use these terms in math. For example, I have two numbers here, 34 and the number 36. I can compare the two numbers by saying they both have a 3 in the tens place. I could contrast them by saying, well, 34 has a 4 in the ones place, and 36 has a 6 in the ones place. That would be a contrast. How are they different? I'm sure you can think of some other ways. Now, I have a homework for you, and the homework worksheet, you have little cards that look something like this. If I move it up nice and close, you will see here that there's a picture of a boy brushing his teeth and a girl brushing her hair. Now, if you were to compare these, you might find, how are they similar? So the word comparing is down here. So first off, I might write number card, and each card has a little number in the corner here. And then it says objects. What objects are you comparing or contrasting? So if I'm comparing brushing teeth with brushing hair, I'm going to write that right where it says object. Now, over here it says tell how they are the same. Now, looking at this, you might say, no way, you should add these to the contrasting list. Well, we could do that as well. I'm going to try to find on here something that is the same. Well, I'll say they both involve brushing. So I might write down here, they both involve brushing. And I'm going to remember to put a capital letter at the beginning of my sentence and a period at the end. Now there's other cards as well on your worksheet. So you can pick a different card for contrasting, or you can go with the same card as well. Hope you enjoyed your lesson today. Have a great day. Bye-bye.